Hello Canva Lancers! Many of you asked how I did this rotating disc on Canva. I made this tutorial for you. Gumamit lang ako nitong CD case. Punta lang kayo sa search bar. Type CD case. Click nyo lang yung photos at ito yung ginamit ko. Next, click the image. Edit photo, then apply background remover. So ito yung kalalabasan. For this one, go to search bar and type CD. Click the photos tab. Scroll down lang kayo until you get the CD you want to use. Ito yung ginamit ko. I use the circle frame at para ma-achieve natin yung disc frame, I combine these two elements together. These are the elements I used for the overall design. Go to Elements search bar, type Photo Dump, at ito yung ginamit ko. I also use this arrow. I use these elements to design the CD case. Search nyo lang yung gems for this. Apply background remover at pinili ko lang yung gusto kong gamitin. I got this heart background from the graphics tab. You can change the size and change the color as well. I use this circle frame na butas yung gitna so I can make sure nakita yung gagamitin kong photos para sa disc frame. Search nyo lang yung circle frame. Scroll down on the graphics tab. And there you have it. Ito yung scrapbook style na ginawa ko. To achieve this, click on your photo and then go to Edit Photo, apply background remover, and nyo lang. Then use the shadow and then apply a stroke or the outline. Para mas ma-customize ko siya, I use these scrapbook elements. At ayan, ito na yung output. Export nyo lang ito as a PNG and then upload. This one, drag and drop your photo on the circle frame. Double click the image para masakto nyo siya sa frame. So, adjust nyo na lang. Ayan. Konting adjust pa. There. Double tap the outside of the canvas. Then, click the photo or frame and go to Animate. Scroll down. Add motion effects. And then, click Rotate. And that's it. Adjust nyo na lang yung speed. Thank you.